What's the meaning of C of E? C of E. C of E.
C of E. C of E. C of E stands for the Church of England, which is an Anglican Christian denomination. Founded in the 16th century, the Church of England is the mother church of the worldwide Anglican Communion and has a significant role in British society and politics. It is headed by the Archbishop of Canterbury and has around 25 million members globally. The Church of England is known for its traditional liturgy and hierarchical structure, but also has a diversity of theological perspectives within its membership.